Warning. This video is not professional advice and is for entertainment purposes only. Please use extreme caution when attempting any repairs. The topic of this video is fixing a Chevrolet Trax 2016 model. Symptoms where air conditioning blows hot air regardless of the setting on the control knob. Start by removing the glove box. Remove the side hinge strap using some needle nose pliers. Next, remove the two bolts holding in the glove box. Gently compress the tabs on each side to remove the entire glove box. Next, look for the white gears to the left of the air filter compartment. If wire is not connected properly, these gears will move freely. The gears toggle between heat and cold air ducts. As a temporary fix, you can wedge a rag into the gears to keep the gear open to the cold air or heat depending on which season you are in. Use a 7/32 inch wrench to remove the bolt holding the assembly as shown. Be patient. Space is tight. Examine the assembly to verify wire is seated and in the channel. When working properly, you can spin the heat and cool dial and see the black gear moving. To fix the wire placement, remove the white plastic piece from center of the black gear. Carefully align wire in the channel around black gear, then replace the white plastic cap. Be careful not to have a twist in the wires as shown, or else your heat and cool dial will be reversed. Test your heat and cool control knob again and see if the gear will travel freely from end to end. If it works, then you can just reassemble the black gear assembly. If gear doesn't spin freely, then the heat and cool knob probably needs fixed also. Fixing the heat and cool knob requires removing the surrounding trim pieces. Step 1 is to remove the plastic cover near the shifter. Then remove the trim surrounding the shifter. Pull both sides of trim where number 2 labels are located. Next, remove the two bolts holding the cigarette lighter charging port panel. Then move panel to overhang on the side. Next, remove the radio and vent panel. Work slowly and use a trim kit pry tool if necessary. This is a large section held in with big metal clips. They require more force to remove. Take your time and have patience while removing. Remove the 4 bolts holding on the climate control panel. Remove the rear assembly from the heat and cool control knob. Use a pry tool to unclip the white tabs if necessary. At this point, inspect the knob control assembly. As the picture shows, the problem was the wire became completely detached from the heating and cooling control knob. Fix the wire on the knob to be in the track. Note the tip of the wire and spring go between the center holders as shown. Reassemble the heating and cooling control knob. Then spin the knob to test if black gear near the glove box spins freely from end to end. If heating and cooling knob is spinning correctly, then attach the black gear in the glove box area back onto the white gears to control heating and cooling vents. Note the gear contains a black square, that is the key used to align to the white gears. Next step is to line up the white gears and the black gear key, then snap into the holder shown and screw the bolt holder in. This is a tight area to work in, so take your time and have patience. Use a 7/32 inch wrench to tighten the bolt. Spin the control knob to make sure it still spins freely and completely from the cold side to the hot side. Then start your vehicle and test the air conditioner and heater functions to verify they are working as expected.
Tested. Good to go.
Reassemble the control panels and bolts in the reverse order you took them apart. Enjoy some music and watch the reassembly process. All put back together and cleaned up. Now start the car and test all the heating and cooling controls. Make sure all the control knobs spin and function properly. Make sure the hot side is hot and the cool side is cool. This design doesn't work well when quickly spinning the knobs. To avoid future problems with the wire coming detached from the nose, do not spin the knobs very fast. Everything is working fine, so reassemble the glove compartment. But while you have it taken apart, check and change the cabin air filter if necessary. This filter is available from Amazon at a reasonable price and works great. Slide in the filter and then close the cover. Make sure you have the arrows aligned properly. Finally, reassemble the glove compartment. First, squeeze the two sides to attach. Then screw in the two bolts on each side and attach the hinge using needle nose pliers if necessary. Great job! You've made it this far and hopefully saved a few bucks by fixing it yourself. If for some reason your wire assembly was bad and couldn't be fixed, then the complete control assembly can be purchased from Amazon or other auto parts stores. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment, click like, share this video, or subscribe to help support our channel and inspire more video content.